Are you thinking of learning drums as an adult and have absolutely no idea where to begin? Do you also worry that it's too late, that you're too old to learn? We're going to address both of these questions today, and at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. If you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play drums professionally in the Kansas City area. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many students learn to play the instrument, including my student Greg Schmidtberger, who started playing the drums in his 40s and ended up playing in a local rock band. Okay, let's address the age question first. Are you too old to learn to play the drums? Don't you have to start learning to play as a child? No, you don't. Earlier I mentioned one of my students. He started playing as an adult. He got so good at the instrument that eventually he started playing with a rock band in local clubs around the area. I've had several students like this. While it's true that children have great potential for learning new skills, I've personally found that adults frequently progress much quicker on the instrument. Adults have more patience than children. They also have a longer attention span. They also usually have the advantage of self-discipline, which they've learned through sports they've played, or maybe college, or the different careers they've worked in. As long as you're mentally and physically healthy, you can learn to play the drums at any age. If this is making sense to you, please click those like and subscribe buttons. That really helps me to grow this channel. Thank you in advance. So where do you start as an adult student? The first thing I recommend is just buy a drum set. Buy whatever you can afford. Honestly, when you're first starting out, just about any drum set will do. An acoustic drum set is usually best for beginners unless you're playing in a situation where volume is a real issue. Then you may want to consider buying an electronic drum set. Then you can simply put on headphones and play without irritating your neighbors. Once you have a drum set, the next thing I recommend is learn to play a basic rock beat. Most people can do this very quickly, usually in the first week. I've also got a video that will help you with this, and I'll put a link in the show notes so you can check it out. After you can play your first rock beat, you should try playing along with some music. Try Old Time Rock and Roll by Bob Seger. Don't worry about the fills or the other things that he's playing on the recording, just play the basic beat at first. You can even slow the recording down using the YouTube settings if you have to. After you've completed these 3 steps, learn to play a few more rock beats and start learning some drum fills, and then try playing along with some other songs. This is a good place to start as an adult. Now for the bonus I mentioned earlier. I have a list of 10 drum beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It also comes with an exclusive video demonstrating each of the beats, again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Now please comment below and tell me if you just purchased a drum set or if you're thinking about purchasing one. Or if you just like to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist of lessons for beginning drummers. Please check those out, and I'll see you next time.